Hey YouTube, it's me Zach Chuck Rocker, and today I'm gonna make a video about my 3DS not working. So yeah, what happened to it was I was playing Animal Crossing when my cousin spilled some water on it by mistake, and then I download play New Super Mario Brothers with my cousin, and then after that the 3DS went off, and then I turned it back on, and then when I went on download play it said that power off, and it turned off again, and then I tried 5 times, didn't work. So then I just closed my 3DS in sleep mode and turned it off. And then after that, I tried turning it back on, but it didn't. So this is how see? I thought it's broken. See? Thinks that it's broken. It's not turning on. But when I charge it, something weird happens. Very, very weird. As you can see the orange light. That means it's charging. But when I try to turn it on, it's not working, but it's got the orange light. So this is really, really weird. And I want to play my 3DS because I need to play Animal Crossing online. But as you can see, it's not turning on. I did put it next to the sun so the water drowns, but yeah, it didn't work. And it didn't work. I can't go on it anymore. Here's the power button, as you can see, press. Not work. Don't know why. So yeah, that's about it on the 3DS. If you guys know how I can fix this, then please leave a comment below and do a video response or something so I know how to fix it. And if not, then I'll have to go to the shop and repair my 3DS and pay for it, which is crap because I need to use it before Friday. I told my cousin that I'm going to come online and I need to use it. If you got anything that you can help me or know how it's going to be fixed, or leave your tip, and please leave it in the comments below because it's really going to help. And if you guys think there's something wrong with the power button, then just leave a comment and say something wrong with the power button, but I know how to fix it. Or you could just say, if you don't know anything, just leave the comment below. If you have the same problem, then I suggest that you leave a comment that has the same problem. And that's about it. So I want to use my 3DS, and if you guys got any tips on how I can fix this, then that'll be very useful. I did try taking my 8 GB memory card out in Animal Crossing, but it still didn't work, unfortunately, and I think something's wrong with that. But yeah, I think I'm going to take the battery out and leave it out for 5 seconds and put it back on. Maybe that does help. But I can't get this thing out because I need a screwdriver, mini one, but I don't have mini one. So yeah, Nintendo really needs to fix their consoles. They need to put like a waterproof jacket on it or something, or give a cover. Thumbs up if you agree, thumbs down if you got the same problem, and thumbs up if you like 3DS, and thumbs down if you don't like it. Anyways, if you guys got any tips, please leave in the comment below. It's gonna help. Bye. Like, subscribe, and please comment. If you can't subscribe, just like. You don't have to subscribe. Bye.